Hello guys, thanks for clicking this video. Today project is 8539 from analog device, and the operational amplifier is ultralow input bias current. And as you can see, I used this IC as photodiode driver here exactly, and I have two meters, one for voltage and other one for the current gauge. As you can see, the current measurement device is high accuracy and brand multimeter. Very nice. Here is the data sheet, and I should say the application for this IC, as the manual said, is electrometer amplifier, photodiode preamplifier, and VH electrode buffer. And as I told you before, I used the project for the photodiode preamplifier. Here is a small photodiode, as you can see, and I'm going to test project with the remote control that I changed the TX or transmit diode with this rank one. And also the project said that this project is exactly very low input bias current, and the family series is JFET technology family. And the other item that we should know is usually this IC will use for the photodiodes, photomultiplier tubes for the radiation detectors, oxygen sensor, and sample and hold projects. Usually this IC will use. The last thing that we should know is the pin number 8 is connected to the CAN body of the IC, exactly right here. It is connected to the CAN because of the noise reason. Maybe sometimes in the busy projects we may need to connect the body of IC to the ground or somewhere else. Very good. The other thing that we should know is the frequency of the project is 1 megahertz. The input voltage is 10 volts, and finally the maximum current usage of the IC is 700 microamp. Very well. Here is the schematic that I used. Now, as you can see, here is to offer with the datasheet, and I use the first one. As you can see, the photodiode is between inverting and non-inverting input, and the output also is series with the 1 microfarad cap. And for the feedback connection, 10 kilo resistor and 10 off cap. Yes. The last thing that we should know is one triple one potentiometer between pin number 1 and 5 for the final level adjustment or calibration. I use exactly 10 kilo ohm pot here to adjust the project exactly like this. The left meter is 1.9 volt and the right one is 5 microamp. Very good. I'm going to do the first test with the meter. The space between meter and between project and the TX remote is around 10 centimeter. Is in a maximum situation. As you can see, we have 160 microamp usage and 1.4 volts up down converting. Very good. I'm going to more space to test much better. Now is 1.5 volts and around 150 microamp usage. The last test that will show that we have super sensitive IC here is when I'm using the reverse remote takes wave transfer for the less and minimum wave transfer. We will see that the voltage will stable and the current gonna be changed. As you can see, I pushed in reverse mode. I have 9 microamp around, approximately 9 microamp change, but the voltage is stable. I release the key. One more time I will press. The photodiode will take small waves, but it is not able to change the voltage. But the IC is super sensitive and the current will show exactly some changes here. That for this reason this operational amplifier we use for the projects. One more time I will test. Here is the close distance, and with the less waves you can see the voltage is stable, but I have around 8 microamp usage when the remote direction is in the opposite side. Thanks for watching. Project name 8549, Ultralow bias current, and the pinout is exactly like the single channel operational amplifiers. Goodbye.